everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Guys, after today's episode of Isencane lengane, fans started asking why did Syacela and Thando got married from the first place. Most people feels that Thando deserves better than Syacela. If she really loves him, he must have a serious conversation about his future plans, otherwise Syacela will be Thando's burden forever. I don't know guys which one is better, going back to school or search for a job, but the reality is it's very difficult to get a job in South Africa. It's even worse if you don't have matric. Let's check the Twitter comment below. The first one said, why get into marriage while you are not financially stable? Now things are a mess. Poor Thando. Andile said, I hope Thando knows she can still get divorced. She has her entire life ahead of her. The other one said, Syacela and Thando talks about living and renting a place with what when Syacela still sleeps till 2 p.m. I said it before, I'm saying it again. Syacela is a special school case. Maybe that is why we don't know, guys. Yeah. Then the other one said, honestly, Thando must have a conversation with Syacela about finding a job or doing something with his life. You can't be dependent on your father-in-law all the time while he still needs to take care of his wives. The last one said, he may seem harsh, but I feel he's trying to show his son how to be a man and stand on his own. So yeah guys, I'm also confused. Why did they rush into marriage valley from the first place? How will they survive if Syacela's father dies? We don't know. Do leave your comment guys below and share your opinion. In that note, thank you so much for watching this video. See you on my next upload. Bye.